First, the top stories. ISRO Chief K. Sivan breaks down after Vikram contact lost. PM Modi consoles. Railway construction work to be banned of reposting of Deputy Commissioner. And Minister of Home Affairs assures Gorkha delegation of implementation of notification on D-voters. Hello and good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. and this is Kishore Chandra Wankimcha with the news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi told Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO scientists to not lose hope after Vikram lander of Chandrayaan-2 lost communication with the ground station on the early hours of Saturday. In his encouraging address to the scientists, Prime Minister Narendra Modi added that a major part of the mission has been successful and congratulated the Space Research Organisation for its effort, but ISRO Chief K. Sivan was inconsolably upset. In fact, K. Sivan broke down after the speech, and in a video that has gone viral on social media, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was seen consoling him with a heartfelt hug. It was an emotional moment considering the effort that went behind India's second lunar mission. The soft landing of Chandrayaan-2's landing module, Vikram, did not go according to a plan, as all ground communication was lost with it just moments before the scheduled landing. Even as the mood of ISRO's complex turned gloomy, Prime Minister Modi told the scientists that the entire nation is proud of their achievements and there is no need to be feel dejected. Prime Minister Modi also highlighted how ISRO has reached new heights through its contribution and is being currently one of the top space research organizations in the planet. Now, Makwam Village Authority and Thaubi organized a mass protest rally in Tamenglong headquarters today against the reposting of Armstrong Palmer as Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong District, registering a protest against the move. The Makwam Marangching village has threatened to impose a ban on Northeast Frontier Railway construction work from today till September 9 until the order is revoked. Now, in Assam, the Bharatiya Gorkha Parisangha Assam State Committee led by its President Nityananda Upadhyay called on Ashutosh Agnihotri, Commissioner and Secretary Home, Political and Passport, and sought an earlier resolution of the notification on D-voters issue. The delegation requested the government of Assam to file a fresh case at the Foreigners Division of the High Court of Guwahati as directed by the court while hearing case number IA Civil 4322/2018 and give relief to more than 20,000 D-voters who have been excluded from the final NRC. The meeting, coordinated by Nanda Kirati Dewan, National Secretary Youth Affairs, BGP, was attended by Assam BJP General Secretary S. Prakash Dahal, VP Amar Adhikari and Dr. Dilip Chetri. Informing about the meeting, S. Prakash Dahal said, "We had an elaborate discussion regarding the order of IA filed by Home Department, Government of Assam, and order pronounced on 20th December 2018. Ashutosh Agnihotri has taken responsibility to see why it is necessary to file a writ petition in the High Court to validate the notification by Minister of Home Affairs, and if all it is necessary, why was it not filed on time? And if it is necessary to file a fresh writ petition, the government will seek legal opinion from the concerned department and follow the process and settle the issue on time." Now, Manipur Hills Journalists Union MHJU today celebrated its 36th Foundation Day at the Manipur Press Club in Imphal. The event was attended by MP Dr. Lohro Fodze, APO of Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur, Tensubam Sangita, and President of Manipur Hills Journalists Union, Ramkung Pamay, as the main guest. Now, a combined team of Imphal East Commando under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Imphal East, Thongkochon Haukip, was arrested. One active cadre of proscribed UNLF last evening from Top Moirang Kampu, as police report said today. The arrested cadre has been identified as Ketrimium Gaurabi Singh alias Lanthawa, age 50, of Tumukhong Mayai Lekai. He was later handed over to Porompat Police Station for further legal action. Time now for a short commercial break, but coming up, Rotary Club Silchar celebrates Silver Jubilee. More after the break.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng mamahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatanatana Kangla gi ano food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi daw kana bu leibagi.
Kangla
AIYF Manipur State Council na sinjaduna
Lamyanba Luching Purel Hijam Irabot the tribute tawjaba
kunmari suba state level jananeta hizam irawat saithai se changdamnaba pangthok jaragan category ani thokna khaidok jai junior amasung senior category
form thajan bagi aroiba numitna
18 September 2019 date of competition 22nd September 2019 mafamna JN Manipur Dance Academy Imphal
competition sigi form pampamna
AIYF office Irawat Bhavan Group Mahalten Imphal
Manipur gi sejak pisingna form tang lobiduna
asida upcoming singer singna saruk yabiyo
aduga masigi competition asi khalaliba sejak sing idi amna soba platform mo oidini
Manipur gi nongle in khalak libi mahairoi sing isai nongai bu yam pambi singna saruk yabiyo aisu lakjagani mayam su lakpiyo
aisu leramduini ko
kunmari suba state level jananeta hizam irawat saithai se changdamnaba.
Welcome back. You're watching News Today at 1. Rotary Club Silchar celebrated its Silver Jubilee today at Rajiv Bhavan in Silchar. As part of the event, various activities were carried out by members of the club. A public rally was also held in Silchar town to mark the occasion. Altogether, 42 teachers of Kasar Jila were awarded with Nation Builder Award 2019 during the function where mathematics teacher K. Karuna Mishra and Ngoba of Govindnagar Sibari High School were also feted. Two of the LLI low canals at Moirang and Imphal have stopped functioning due to technical snap in the transformer at Pump House number 1, according to reports. Talking to Tom TV, members of Bishnupur constituency BJP campaign committee alleged that the Chief Minister is keeping silent on the issue despite promising for purchasing a new transformer.
Lomi Praja Jingji, Dukimatik Ware.
Honorable CM Legacy Hydra Machamaki quick Peter about the Water Resource Commissioner Tadarami Adubu Nashi Powder.
Now, Moirang College has cleansed A. Pratap Singh Memorial Manipur University Inter-College Football Male Tournament 2019 Winner Trophy. The tournament was organized by YK College Wangjing that began from August 24 at Wangjing Kodompo Peak Ground, in which 34 teams took part. In the final match played yesterday, Moirang College defeated Liberal College by 4 goals to 2 and the winning trophy. The closing function was attended by MLA of Wangjing 10th constituency, Paunam Brojan, Assistant Director of Sports, Manipur University, Dr. Pradip Singh, Principal of Thawal College, O. Chauba Devi, and Principal of YK College, Dr. S. Giri. Now, Kaching runners will organize the Kaching World War II Memorial Run 2019 on September 8. T-shirts and other items distributed to the participants today, the organizer said. Now, another break coming up after the break is Rafael Nadal reaches US Open final after move to brink of a 19th career Grand Slam title. Do stay tuned.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghan bangam lagani lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adom gi sana adu sengi na traga sengdi haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirau
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gi damakta monsoon offer ama pijari ba offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package Akupa Marolgidama contact Tobiu, Lumjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lumjingba Group Building, opposite to Lumjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 Natraga 8794613154.
Welcome once again. Now, Rafael Nadal of Spain moved to the brink of a 19th career Grand Slam title yesterday by beating Matteo Berrettini of Italy in 7-6, 6-4, 6-1 to reach the US Open final. In the final showdown of the tournament tomorrow, Nadal will face a big serving Russian Medvedev. Remarkably, victory in Sunday's final would leave Nadal just one Grand Slam away of Roger Federer's men record of 20. Now, the death toll from Hurricane Dorian in Bahamas has risen to 43. According to media reports, 35 people died in the storm on the Abacos Islands and 8 in Grand Bahama. Search and rescue operations are underway. On the other hand, high winds have toppled trees, grounded planes and left thousands of South Korean homes without electricity as Typhoon Lingling brushed up against the Korean peninsula. South Korea's safety ministry informed today that strong winds and rain caused power failure in some 17,000 homes in the southern resort of Jeju and southern mainland regions. Now, Chief Justice of Madras High Court V.K. Tahilramani has tendered her resignation to President Ramnath Kovind. As per reports, she resigned after the Supreme Court Collegium declined to reconsider its decision to transfer her to the Meghalaya High Court 2 days ago. The Collegium, headed by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi, recommended transfer of Justice Tahilramani to the Meghalaya High Court. She was elevated as the Chief Justice of Madras High Court in August last year. Now, the Manipur government hosted the first ever Manipur Corporate Social Responsibility CSR conclave yesterday at the City Convention Center in Imphal. At the event, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh had called on the corporate world to give special impetus on injecting investment for the growth of the state and expressed hope of positive commitment from the companies. But the big question is visibility of such investment from different corporate houses and how far this can be translated into action. Earlier, the law and order situation in Manipur has seriously disrupted investment in the sericulture project by Japan. In the past, such plans eventually came out to be fruitless attempts. We have a pic from Times of Manipur's The Morning Talk.
Convention kay pangtok kutok batong maganda ako madugi tungi oiba thabok sidi mahi sana hona dana to kiba kiya yauri game na estimate program ulai ai chanda kan kep am si tawre hari toba aduna to bida madugi pangtok kibagi mahi do masi kudobe na Manipur se ko gi kano limestone yam thoi ni ko product ar Manipur ko cement factory hai ba si akoi Manipur thoi limestone sunu nung se su quality power quality ni have no munusali aduna ako cement factory to bi hai Manipur silk muga ke silk si ako gi muga hasi marang kaina ko gi phangi ba adum amani Japan na aduda invest tor kanda thadegi haiba tamda Manipur loan order film fataba moi investor sing lag to ki ba aduma lei hi ko adu jikti government na haris jikti Manipur loan order di film pare miyam aba sung government ga pho mari ma leire aduna di Manipur tourist mayam laning mi leire investor mayam laning ma leire la adu nuai ba ing tabale ba ko orabina mayam sangak pa yare adu di Manipur food sahi bi thabak tongwa corporate sector sing da thadar bo oragadi sen yaudna di sungya yaroi ba.
And now a quick look to today's newspapers headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Chief Minister invites corporates to partner state government. Lots of anxiety, says ISRO chief. Chandrayaan-2 moon landing at 1:55 a.m. Biswajit hands check to let scribe's wife. Transport body says no to cease work strike. In demand for ST status of Meiteis, STDCM locks railway office. The People's Chronicle. MP Dr. Ranjan pitches for Jiri Delhi, Howrah drain service. KG student given corporal punishment. Baby Sana JC rolls up sleeves for intense agitation. The Morning Bell. Manipur host first ever CSR conclave of the Northeast. Chief Minister invites corporate for partnership with government. Minister Biswajit assures of all possible support. STDCM seals railway office at Moirangkom. 19 volunteers arrested by police. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee warns of intense agitation. IPR Minister hands over cheque under Manipur State Journalist Welfare Scheme. Manipur students secure top prize in Northeast Hackathon. Felicitated. Manipur a safe haven for investment as any other states, says Governor Nazma Heptullah. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister invites cooperates for partnership with state government. Another IAS officer quits service. SC dismisses PIL, seeking increase in retirement age of state high court judges.
And now, before we wind up, a quick reminder of the top stories once again. ISRO Chief K. Sivan breaks down after Vikram contact lost. Prime Minister Narendra Modi consoles. Railway construction to be banned over reposting of Deputy Commissioner. And Minister of Home Affairs assures Gorkha delegation of implementation of notification on D-voters. And that's all we have in this section of News Bulletin. Thank you for watching Times of Manipur.